do-it-yourselfer here. And recently I was walking through my metal hall, and lo and behold, the smoke detector picked that time to fall off the ceiling and onto me. So it was time for a new smoke detector. I don't think that's gonna work. We need a bigger hole. Let's try this one. Reverse here. Put the tool in reverse. There. There, I think that'll work. There. There. That was the easy part. I didn't expect that to be easy, but I don't normally like using screwdrivers. I like power tools to shoot screws in. So you just saw what I considered to be another easy job turned out to be a little bit harder. But as usual, the job gets done. I might have made it a little easier for me to step on a little stool or something. But anyway, so we're good for 10 years here, and you just seen it done using the hardware that came with the unit, and that was the plastic inserts. So they required a pilot drill large enough for the plastic to get pounded in, and then the screws that came with it get threaded into the red plastic items. And when it's affixed really solidly, much more than what really needs to be. I overkilled it a little bit, and but the unit is up, and it is somewhat centrally located. I'm thinking maybe I might install another one in the kitchen area, maybe even the garage. But there it is. This is our upgrade from the unit that fell off, the ancient unit that fell off the ceiling just on its own. So, do-it-yourself Dell signing off. Decided to upgrade, or at least go with a different type of item. This one is the photoelectric for the smoke, and also it detects carbon monoxide. Also, this one does not involve 9-volt batteries, so there's no chirping, and so that's something that I just want to try out. So over a period of, this one's warranted for 10 years, so over a period of 10 years, supposedly if you change your 9-volt battery once or twice a year, this would diminish the price of this product somewhat. And so we're going to open this up and take a look at it. There, that's that. And let's see. Okay, so we have what I thought we might have. The installation plate, which goes on the wall or the ceiling, wherever you want to put it, and then the hardware, the 2 screws and the plastic inserts. So let's look at the unit itself. It's got all the more of the same of what's on the package about the particulars of it. This button once you got it installed, this button starts it, so that'll start your 10-year life of the lithium battery. It also, if the alarm is going, this button will silence it. So enough of that now, and then our next step will be the installation. And if I can locate my producer, we can turn off the camera. I guess I got to keep talking. There are also, as an option, that they have these type of devices, smoke devices, that are hardwired. Now, as far as I know, that might involve a professional. But the hardwired ones, you can put more than one of them in. If one alarm goes off, they all go off. So this way you wouldn't just have one in the say in the sleeping areas. You would have one maybe in the kitchen as well, or I don't know, maybe the garage or something. And if you've got multiple floors in your residence, you would have more of those. And there's no law that says you can't put more of these into different floors and different areas that you think might involve problems, like say around a stove area, or maybe something going on in the garage. So